Sometimes, you may need to enter BIOS configuration in Windows 11 for personal settings. Many of us may know how to enter BIOS by pressing F2, F9, F12 etc. button while power on. But many of us don't know, we can also enter BIOS through Windows settings. Today we are going to see this process. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to get more important videos like this. First, go to Windows Settings. Click Start at the bottom taskbar. Click Settings and check System tab. Slide down to find the Recovery option. Click Restart Now in the Advanced Startup. Remember to save your file or tasks and then click Restart your device. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced option. Enter UEFI Restart. Firmware settings. And here in the BIOS configuration of your laptop. Thanks for watching.